Welcome to 10th edition of OSMECON. Today we collaborated with NEO Group. NEO is our OSMECON conference title sponsor. NEO is the only institute where they believe in transparency, and NEO Group helps you to achieve your dreams. We have been associated with NEO Group since 2017. Dr. BVK Raj, CEO of NEO Group, Dr. Divya Sunita Raj, Vice Rector of NEO Group, helps students to do bachelor and postgraduate studies in the medicine. OSMECON is first international biggest undergraduate medical conference in Hyderabad. OSMECON is a 3-day event with 13 workshops and research-oriented methods like case presentation, poster presentation and paper presentation. We also do passive events like med quiz, dare to diagnose, spell bee, damsharats, etc. So OSMECON helps the medical students in various clinical examinations and the other events.
I'm going to Stavropol Medical State University is in Russia through NEO Group, and I have a great chance to participate in this OSMECON 2019, and I'm glad to learn all these things at early stages, and I have a great chance to participate in this. I thank to OSMECON 2019 and Osmania University and NEO Group. I'm going to Zaporozhye State Medical University through NEO. I'm here today at OSMECON 2019, and I'm very glad to take part in this session at early stages of my career, and thanks to NEO Group, Dr. Raj sir and Dr. Divya ma'am.
I am going to Kazakh National Medical University through NEO Group. I am very glad to participating 10th OSMECON in 2019. I am very privileged to participating here, and I am very thankful to Dr. Divya ma'am and Raj sir. I am very thank you to NEO Group.
I am going to Alpha Arabic Arab. Today I am at OSMECON 2019, which was sponsored by NEO, and I'm so glad that I have learned a lot of stuff from the early stage itself, and I'm so thankful to the NEO Group.
I'm thankful to NEO Group and Raj sir and Divya.
Thanks to NEO Group.
I thank NEO.
So I thank Divya ma'am and Raj sir.
Thank to Divya ma'am and Raj sir and NEO Group.
Thank you for giving this opportunity for us.